Hello everyone. Today we will take a close look at two Arch-based Linux distributions, Garuda Linux and Cachyos. Garuda Linux is designed to provide a visually appealing and user-friendly experience. It comes with pre-installed tools that make system management easier. The Calamares installer simplifies installation for beginners. Garuda also includes ABT RFS file system with automatic snapshots. This feature allows you to restore your system to a previous state if something goes wrong. The system maintenance tools are clearly organized in the Garuda Assistant, making it simple to update, clean, and optimize your system without using terminal commands. CachyOS, on the other hand, focuses on performance and efficiency. It uses a highly optimized Linux kernel and compiler settings that are tuned for modern CPUs. This makes applications launch faster and reduces overall system latency. CachyOS also offers different kernel builds like the Cachy kernel, Zen kernel, and LTS kernel so that users can choose what works best for their hardware. Its package manager is the same as Arch's Pacman, but CachyOS provides its own repository with precompiled optimized packages to improve performance even more. However, Garuda can feel heavier on older hardware due to its visual effects and preloaded software. CachyOS lacks the same level of beginner support and visual customization options that Garuda provides. Both are powerful choices, but they lack balance. Garuda favors design over simplicity, and CachyOS favors performance over accessibility. Thanks for watching.